How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be talking about how to get rid of the hickey. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So again, this video really isn't related to fitness, which I completely know already. For all the fitness people watching it, I do apologize, but I do so many fitness videos that I like to have one or two videos that are a little bit different and allow me to rest. Doing that many, because I do quite a bit of videos per day, doing that many videos of workout vids is very tough. So I like one video to kind of mix it up. So again, I do apologize, but there's lots of fitness videos to come. With that being said, what I do is I pick a question from a subscriber, I read it out loud, and then I answer it. And then at the end of the video, I give you my response. So this subscriber wants to know if lotion is good for getting rid of a hickey. He said that he used lotion himself and the hickey went away in 4 days. And he was wondering if I had any better ways, any faster ways of getting rid of a hickey. So to the subscriber, yes, I do have a much faster way. Just to kind of talk about your lotion thing, in my opinion, the lotion really doesn't help. Your hickey probably would have went away 4 to 6 days, even if you put no lotion on it. So I really believe that lotion really doesn't do that much, in my opinion. I say this in all my videos, and that is the hickey. To get rid of that, you just have to rub on it. So you can use anything. You can use a pen if you want to. I don't really recommend a pen. It's a little bit tough to do. What I recommend is a coin or a spoon. Everyone should have a spoon at their house. Eating utensil, they should have a spoon. Use a spoon, rub the area. Generally, you get it on your neck area. Rub it like this. You don't want to push too light, and you don't want to push too hard where you're piercing your skin. Just moderate pressure, rub it. The amount of time you need to rub is pretty small, 2 minutes. And 90% of the hickeys will go away for most people. If it's not going away, try 5 minutes. A big complaint I get from people is that it turns red and it makes it look worser. This happens to everyone. It's not just you. The reason for that is because when you rub your skin, it's going to turn red. If it doesn't, I would be extremely concerned because that would be very weird. It should, if your skin is good shape, good health, it should turn red. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the redness to go away. Your hickey will also go away. Hopefully I did answer your question, subscriber. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thank you.